Satish Kumar here. Welcome to the second video on tips, tricks and shortcut keys in PowerPoint. This video we are going to see all the tips, tricks and shortcut keys during the slideshow. Okay, so let me run the slideshow first. So we have this file. This file I will share it on the description. You can download it for your practice. Now I want to run the slideshow. How can I run the slideshow? Various methods. On the title bar, you can see that fourth button available, Start Slideshow. Or on the status bar also, you can see the Start Slideshow is available. Yes, you can use the shortcut key, function key F5. So when I press F5, the slideshow will start. Connected. Now I want to go to the next slide. To go to the next slide, we have various methods. So down arrow, right arrow, enter, space bar, page down, mouse click, N, we'll go to the next slide. So various methods are available to move on to the next slide. Similarly, if you want to go to the previous slide, once again up arrow, left arrow, page up, mouse scroll up, okay, P for previous. Various methods are available to navigate between one slide to another slide, next slide or previous slide. But suppose I want to jump to a particular slide. Assume now we are in slide number 3. I want to go to the slide number 9 or 10 or whatever. So if you know the slide number, there are 3 methods available. First method, if you know the slide number, type the slide number. Assume I know the slide number is 7. So just to press 7 and enter, it will go to the slide number 7. Suppose I want to go to the slide number 15, 1, 5 and press enter, it will go to the slide number 15, 5. This we can do it when you are aware of the slide number. But assume I don't know what is the slide number because there are so many slides available. I don't know what is the slide number. So you can use a shortcut key which we use it for normally for saving your file. Correct? That Ctrl S. So when you press Ctrl S, it shows all the list of slides, all the title of the slides. If you have the title, it will show you the title of the slide. Assume I want to go to a particular slide. Suppose I want to go to slide number 21. Select the slide number 21 and I enter or go to. It will go to that particular 21th slide. So if you don't know the slide number, you can press Ctrl S, but still it shows only the heading. But I want to see the preview of the slide and I want to go to the particular slide. For that we have 2 keys. One is you can just press G. So when you press G, it shows the preview of all your slides. You can scroll up and scroll down and once again you can select any slide. If I click, it will open that slide. So G, or else I believe next one will be much easier. When you press the minus here, hyphen or minus, it shows the same thing. But what is the advantage of the minus is, all the slides are not displayed in one screen. You can press furthermore minus so that you can see all the slides. Here I have 30 slides. Suppose if you have 40-50 slides, all the slides will be shown in a screen. Or you can use the plus symbol to increase the zoom percentage. Now you can select the particular slide. Okay, so various methods of viewing the slides. During the slides, we can move to a particular slide to another slide. We have seen 3 methods. Right. Now I want to stop the slideshow. Of course, escape will be the shortcut key for stopping the slideshow. But I want to restart the slideshow where I have left it. If you press F5, it will restart it from the first slide. But I want to restart it from the slide where we have left. Assume I have stopped at the slide number 8. Now I want to start from the slide number 8. So Shift F5, Shift function F5 will start from the slides where we have left. Correct? Now during the slideshow, assume I am giving a presentation. In between the presentation, I want to pause my presentation. Temporarily I want to pause it. So there are 2 keys available. One is you can use the key called as W, white, the first letter of W. So when you press W, your screen becomes white up. Okay. So now once again to come back again, you can press same W which will come back, or you can press any one of the key also. But this W, it is consuming some power. I want to conserve the power. I want to save the power. So you can press B where your screen becomes black or blank. Once again you can press any key or B, it comes back to the normal slideshow again. Right? Now assume during the presentation, I want to draw something. I want to highlight something here. So let us press Ctrl P, the shortcut key for pen tool. When you press Ctrl P, your cursor will turn like a pen. you can see a small dot symbol is available. Using the dot symbol, red color dot is available. Now I can draw something here. I can highlight something, I can underline something here. So after drawing or highlighting, if I don't like this, I want to erase this. Two keys, one is Ctrl E. When you press Ctrl E, the eraser option is appearing. You can click on something, wherever this line I don't want it, I want to erase it, just make a click, that will be erased. If you want to erase everything, you can just press E, E will erase everything. To come out of the eraser, you can press Escape or even you can press Ctrl A, A is for arrow, which will come back to the arrow mark again. So when I press Ctrl P, by default, my pen color is red here, correct? I don't like this red color. I want some other color for this. Right click on the slideshow. Go to the pointer option. Under pointer option, you can see the ink color is available. So you can change whatever the color you want it here. Correct? Now the ink color has turned here. This is as an ink. Now assume I want to highlight a particular text here. So let us press Ctrl I, highlight. So I can highlight a particular areas. But the highlighting color also you want to change, you guessed it right. Same thing, right click and go to the pointer option and go to the ink color and you can change the color of your highlighter also. So to come back again, escape or you can press Ctrl A to come back again. Now assume after doing all the things, now you press escape to come out of the slideshow. Now it's asking for a question here. Want to keep your ink annotation. That means whatever the drawing you did it, want to keep it. We know during the thing if you want to erase, you can use Ctrl E or E. But after this, after coming out of the slideshow, it's asking do you want to keep it or discard it. Your wish. Suppose I want to keep this. Let us click on keep. When I click on keep, yes. So it's available when I come out of the slideshow also. Now if you don't want this option, you can select it and you can simply delete it. Okay, if you don't want it, select it and delete it. That will be deleted. Whatever the drawings, that will be deleted. Now let me start the slideshow. From the 9 I want to start the slideshow, you know the shortcut key Shift F5. And one more option is available, that is your laser pointer. You can convert your mouse as a laser pointer. Alt L. Alt L will be the shortcut key for this laser pointer. But by default, the laser pointer will be in red. If you don't want this red color, if you want to change this red color, unfortunately you cannot make a right click here and change it here. So you have to come out of the slideshow, escape and escape. I will come out of the slideshow. Go to the tab called as slideshow. Under the tab of slideshow, there is a command button called as setup slideshow. Under setup slideshow, you can notice there are two options available, the laser pointer color and ink color. What is this ink color? Ink color you can change it, right click and change it manually there, but default what is the color you want? When you press Ctrl B, what is the color you want? That you can change it here. So you can change your pointer colors. For example, I will change the pointer color maybe as a blue. Now if I run the slideshow, Shift F5 and I press Ctrl L, my laser pointer turns into a blue color here. Every time instead of running, I am coming out of the slideshow by pressing escape. Every time when you want to run the full screen slide, I want to see the mini slideshow. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Hold the Alt key. On the bottom, on the status bar, you can see the slideshow is available. Hold the Alt key and make a click. So you can see on the top, a mini slideshow is appearing here. Okay, you can go to the next slides. There is one more option available called as presenter view. So we will see elaborately about the presenter view in our next video. I think this video will help us and it will save you lots and lots of time. Thanks for watching this video. We will see in our next video.